for today's video, I'm going to show 5 fashion viral hacks where you'll be stunned to see all the hacks. Since the video is going to be a little long, so let's get into the video. I'm going to use my loose pajamas and make it a one-shoulder dress. Yes, you heard me right, a one-shoulder dress. So let's begin. So you're going to put both your legs at one side and side of the leg, you're going to put your hand. This is how the look turned out to be. It's a little tight around the tummy area, so if you guys put up a belt, it's going to look amazing because it's going to hide your belly fat if you guys have. But if you use more looser pants, it's going to look bad here. But how do you guys think this look is? I'm going to give a thumbs up for this look. So yeah. So for the hack number 2, take any shirt, like pick any shirt, and we will convert this into a crop top. So you wear your shirt and you take a bangle. So you can take any bangle of your choice. I've just borrowed it from my mom. And you take the ends of the shirt here and push it. And this part you can like tie it back, but since my shirt is small, I will just pin it up here. But for the time being, just let me just tuck it. So yeah, that's how stylish and nice your shirt is going to look. So for the next hack, we're going to take this scarf and make it as a dress. So you're going to take these two ends. You're going to take these two ends and take a ring. I'm taking my ring here. And when you have these two corners, you're going to tie that. This becomes your dress. So this is how it looks. But the only disadvantage is कि यहाँ पे ये खुला होगा. So you guys, I have to, pin it up. So I've pinned the dress, and that's how the final look is. Isn't it like perfect for beach? Look, I'm gonna take 2 shirts. So both are my dad's shirts. I'm gonna wear both of them and show you guys how it looks. Okay? So yeah, so for the first side, you're gonna button this side. To button up your shirt, पीछे भी आपको same करना है. You will have to button it up. And ये जो sleeves है, यहाँ पे you will have to tie it. And यहाँ पे जो extra part है, you can either fold it this way. पीछे also you'll have to button it up the same way. Yeah. So that's how the final look turned out to be. So I've seen all the recent fashion trends where they are wearing the different kinds of colors or different kinds of prints. So you pick any 2 shirts, go grab it from your dad's cupboard, and yeah, great. And for the final hack, I'm going to wear this skirt and convert that into a dress. This is pretty simple. You just have to take any long skirt and इसको ऐसे मतलब ड्रेस की तरह पहनना है. Take a belt, preferably a belt which is thick, which is going to look good and give a statement to it. Yeah, and I prefer wearing a shrug. To see the final look, let me remove my pants. That's how the final look is, and I think it's like pretty elegant. I would prefer you guys choose a skirt which doesn't have a neck because sometimes it may look odd. So you guys choose a long skirt which is not a net. And yeah, so this is how it looks, and you can add a nice statement jewelry. And yeah, you're good to go. It's not like uncomfortable. Looks like a nice tube dress, and if you feel that you're not confident in wearing this, you can just add a leg shrug and yeah, it's good to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all these hacks. I have learned these from 5 minutes crafts. There were so many videos. I just picked out the nice top 5 ones and I showed it to you guys. So let me know if you guys want me to make such more fashion hacks. And yeah, that's it. See you guys. Bye.